Use case for Power by Bookmarks. Bookmarks in Power by allow you to capture the current state of a report, including filters, slicers, and visual settings. They are versatile tools with many use cases that enhance interactivity, storytelling, and report navigation. Below is a prominent use case. Creating interactive report navigation scenario. You have a Power by report with multiple pages or views, such as sales analysis, customer demographics, and regional trends. Instead of relying on the default page navigation, you want to create a custom, user-friendly navigation experience. Solution: use bookmarks to create a dynamic navigation experience. Steps: set up report views. 1. Arrange each report view on separate pages or overlays within a single page using hidden visuals. Capture bookmarks. 1. Create bookmarks for each view, capturing the visual state and page filters. Create buttons or links. 1. Add buttons or text boxes for navigation, assigning each button a bookmark action. Enable navigation. 1. Users can click the buttons to switch seamlessly between views, enhancing usability and reducing complexity. Example: 1. View 1, Overview Dashboard. 2. View 2, Detailed Sales Analysis. 3. View 3, Regional Trends. When a user clicks Sales Analysis, the bookmark navigates to the Sales Analysis view, showing relevant visuals and filters. Benefits of using bookmarks. 1. Improved navigation, streamlines the user experience with intuitive navigation options. 2. Interactive storytelling, guides users through a data story step by step. 3. Enhanced user engagement, makes reports more interactive and engaging. 4. Custom visual focus, highlights specific insights or visualizations based on user interest. Other use cases for bookmarks. 1. Dynamic what-if scenarios, toggle between different what-if analysis states. 2. Reset to default view, create a reset button to revert slicers and filters to the default state. 3. Highlight key insights, focus attention on critical metrics or outliers. 4. Multiple layouts, show alternative layouts or versions of a report. 5. Custom filter presets, save and apply commonly used filter combinations. Bookmarks are a powerful feature that transforms static reports into dynamic, interactive dashboards, making them a cornerstone for advanced Power by reports.